Hi, I'm Angela. This is my first YouTube video, and I got two Influenster boxes to review. So, first one is the Carefree voxbox. Which way? There we go. And inside there was Any Fresh Carefree body shape pads, penny liners. 20 come in here. I already started using them and they work really well. So I think that everybody else should get them to try. And in this box you get these, and you get a 50 cents off on any Carefree product, which I think is cool because, I mean, who doesn't love coupons? And then it says fresh is fierce. Okay, that was the first one. And the second one is this big, the Blossom voxbox, I believe. And this is the first, like, big one I've actually gotten. And, okay. So what you start off, like what's on top, is the Bonitos. There's, original black bean. And then there's Chipotle barbecue. I don't really like barbecue a lot. Like, I don't like the flavor, so I don't know how the barbecue one will taste. But those go for $3.49 in stores. And they're non-GMO. Then the next product is this hair food shampoo. Really bad lighting, but that's what it looks like. And that goes for $9.99 in stores. And it is inspired by the benefits of nutrient-packed, vitalizing ingredients like strawberry and ginger. Hair food root cleansing shampoo deeply cleanses hair to remove buildup for lustrous natural shine, similar to how a juice cleanse can detox your body. And the hair food root cleansing shampoo cleanses the hair of dulling residues and can be used as a regular shampoo or deep clean supplement to your routine. And I think that would work on this thick mess, I guess you would say. Okay. And then there's Bare Naked granola. There's coconut almond curry. I like the coconut part, but I mean, the curry part sounds a little weird, but gotta try them. And then there's sea salt caramel apple. And those go for $10.49 for the 12 ounce, and these are 1.2 ounces, so I'm guessing the 12 ounces is obviously bigger, so it's not, these aren't $10.49, the bigger ones are. And then there's Nasoya Pasta Zero noodles. Comes in like a plastic bag, and then it comes in like an envelope that you send mail in, kind of, in that. And then there's 15 calories and 4 carbs, 3 fiber, and 1 gram of protein. And that's what it looks like. And that goes for $2.29 in stores. Next is the New York City Proof 24-hour eyeshadow. And it's Tribeca, Toupe, and Brooklyn Mocha. So it's like a dark brown. I never take these off correctly, but kind of shimmery, like, I don't know why I smelled it, but it's not good lighting, but it's dark, kind of like smooth, shiny, so I think it'd look really pretty. So when you smear it out, it like still stays kind of. It loses color, but it stays. And that goes for $2.29 in stores. And then there is the Sally Hansen airbrush legs in medium. It's a leg makeup, it says, and it's water resistant, and it's a great like travel size, so if you're going on vacation or whatever. On the back it says, squeeze a quarter size of the product onto your hand, smooth on evenly to legs and feet, rub in completely. Apply sparingly to knees and ankles, allowed to set before dressing. Removes easily with soap and water with a washcloth. So, that's not that bad. And that goes for $13.99 in stores, but I don't think it's $13.99 for this little bottle. I think this is like $8 because I've seen it at my Walmart, so I don't know how much it is in other stores, but. And then the next thing is Australian Gold 30 SPF sunscreen. This is also like a travel size, but it's a little bit bigger than the Sally Hansen, so like you can see the size difference. And this goes for $30 for the 36 SPF, but this one goes for $7.99 for the 8 ounce. And this is 2 ounce, so this is probably like $5 maybe. I don't know, but I'm definitely gonna try all of these. And also with the Bonitos, you get a $1 off coupon, and you also get a $3 off for the hair food shampoo. So that's my review on these products. I haven't tried them yet, but I'm going to, definitely. So maybe I'll upload another video once I use some of these products. And let me know if I can do anything with my videos to make them more interesting, because I'm kind of new at it. So, yep. Subscribe and like.